Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to create PDF in Appsheet. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser and then we have to log in to our Appsheet account. And then the next thing that you should do once you are in your Appsheet account, you'll be able to see here now your apps and your databases. So for this video, we are going to create a new app so that we can generate a PDF. So you clicked on the create option at the top left and then go to the app section and then click on start with a template. But it's up to you if you want to create with an existing data or a blank app. So for this one, I'm just going to start with a template. So I think I am going to use this template right here. Okay, so just have to click on the copy option once you found your template. Okay, this one, and click on copy app. So just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your app, and at the right side you can see the preview of your app. Okay, so we have the new project button, the tracker, and then the calendar. And as you can see at the left side, we have the info option, the data where we can create a new table. We also have the columns, the slices, the user settings, and the options. We also have the UX, the behavior, the automation, the security, and intelligence. Now just go to the automation section. And then the next thing that we should do is to create a new bot. That's right. Then after that, we just have to name this bot. So you'll be able to see here the different suggestions. So it's up to you if you are going to name this one on your own. So here, what I'm going to name this one is when the record is updated. Okay, updated, and then create a PDF. So we just have to configure the event. That's right. And then give it a name. Okay, so give this bot a name once again. So I'm just going to put the same name when a record is updated. Next one is you are going to proceed to the right side and check the settings. Now you have to run this process. So add a step. Now just type out right here the step name, create a PDF, and then you have to click on it, and at the right side you have here send email or create a new file. So I'm going to select create a new file, and then for the content type for body of the document you have to select PDF, and then for the template file used to format the document body. So you can put here your template if you have, or you can also create a new one. You have the file store, the file folder path, and then the file name prefix. Okay, so after this one, you can also preview this. Okay, and then once done, all you have to do now is to save it, and then if there is an updated or there is a record that is being updated, you'd be able to get your PDF. So here is the data for the template. Okay, so here for the attachment page orientation, you can also customize that one. Then after that, you can now save your changes. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.